Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan here. I got an interesting one this morning. It just broke down. One of my CXUs, I believe it's a 16 or 17. It's my day cab. It was a used truck we purchased from Penske, I believe. Um, Driver got in it, started up. He said, went to leave. Some lights came on. Shifter light started blinking, then went dead. Now it will not start. And as you can see, I have no power to the shifter at all. Won't start. So that's where we're at with this. So I do have a new shifter display unit that I'm going to pop in real quick. I believe this is the problem. I have seen this before. So quick trick to get this out. You do not have to take the dash apart. What I use is some nice size cotter pins. And when I put them in, see how it's got the bend on it? If you put the bend towards the inside, it will push it to unlock it, and I'll show you. This one I've already popped because I can't do it with one hand. But see how they're bent? And it holds the tabs in. These are the two tabs here. As you can see on this side, they're the two tabs that locks it into place. So when you slide the cotter pins in, you just wiggle a little bit and it'll pop out. Try to pull it out straight. If you try to pull one side out at a time, the other side will get hooked. But that's how simple it is to do that. All right, I'm going to pop this in and see if it fixes it. If it does not, I will make another video, but you can assume that this was the issue. All right, guys, thanks. To the next one.